it's your girl Ann, aka her pretty self, and in today's vlog, it's my birthday vlog. So it's Saturday today. Yesterday was Friday. I got my nails done, girl. I got them in red because my theme for my birthday is red. So I got them done, and we have the little heart right here. I love my nails. Like, I'm in love. Like, ooh. But anyways, yeah, so I got my nails done yesterday, and today is Saturday. I'm getting my hair done, and I have to be there by 9. It's currently 9:10, but the thing is, it's a walking distance from my house, so I'm just gonna walk over there right now. It is Wednesday. My birthday is tomorrow on Thursday, the 4th of April. So on Tuesday, yesterday, we had dinner. I didn't take any footage, but I have pictures of the dinner. I think I'll insert them. And then today we're gonna go bird watching. So those are the plans. Getting my feet done, body care, skin care, and then lashes, eyebrows, and then I do my makeup because everyone's gonna start arriving around 7, half 7, so I need to be done by 6, half 6. So yeah, that's my plans. I'll see y'all when I'm getting my feet done. Just came back from the salon. I got my eyebrows trimmed, and then I got my feet done. And this is the face mask that I'm gonna try. It's a Victoria's Secret one, so yeah. shower and shower really quickly, even though that's not what I wanted. I wanted like a nice little rejuvenated shower late. So let's get going. Gift, I actually got it on my actual birthday, and I know what's in there and everything. I was supposed to film, but I didn't. I just waited for the other set of gifts to come. The first thing that I'm actually using right now is this tiny little cup. It actually has wipes. So yeah, this is so cute. I actually haven't used this, but I just find it so cute. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for because it's a little baggy. I just don't know for what, like toiletries or whatever, for makeup. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but I like the material. I think it's so cute. But I've known her for like a month, and she got me like really cute gifts, and she didn't get just a simple one. This is from the same person, y'all. She got me the wipes, the baggy, and then we have this see-through black bag, this tiny see-through black bag. She got me a diffuser for my room. I don't know how she knew that I love everything that smells good, but she got me this diffuser, and it's so cute, and it's pink. My room is pink, so I'm happy that she got it in pink because my theme for my room is definitely pink. But that is all that I got from this girl, and I love it. I love it so much. She really did her thing. They didn't really try with the packaging to like, it wasn't creative, but a gift is a gift. Ooh, body mist. It's body mist and it's pink. It's so cute. It's called Rainbow Avenue. It's in the flavor white peach raspberry. That's an interesting combination, but I'm trying to make y'all see. But yeah, that's what it is. So let's spray it and see if it smells. See how much if it smells good or not. It smells like food, you know. It smells like peaches. It's strong though, don't get me wrong, but it definitely smells like what the name, like peach, white peach raspberry, definitely smells like white peach raspberry. And then what else can you get from this girl? And then she got me this bath salts, body massage scrub, milk bath salts. Okay, so I can use this for my feet. I can use this because it's a scrub. It's a body massage scrub. I can use it to massage my feet, especially my feet. I like it for my feet, but I'm sure I can use it for my body as well. Let's see what it says. She got me a mist and body scrub. This is so cute, like the packaging and everything. I took a picture before this because I'm gonna post it, obviously, but the packaging is so cute. It got me so hyped up. But anyways, a girl gotta open the damn gift. Like, I can't just let the packaging just be there. I couldn't tell if it was a phone or not until I opened it. But yes, let's see. I'm so excited. Oh, we got chocolate. We got chocolate. We got Feldemeers. We got Feldemeers chocolate. And it's got nuts in him. It's like she really, the person that got me this gift doesn't really know me like that, but they do because they got chocolate with nuts. I love chocolate with nuts. I got this, I love these gifts. Like, everybody did such a great job giving me gifts because they got me things that I actually like, things that I will actually use in this lifetime. The chocolate, I will definitely eat it. The wipes, the diffuser, the bags, the mist, all. It was nice unboxing these gifts with y'all. I love them all so much. I definitely had the most fun on my birthday. Everybody showed out. My mom got me an iPhone and she paid for my dinner. My friend, she got me the dress that I wore for my birthday. She got me the bag that I had for my birthday. I bought the shoes, but the dress and the bag was for my best friend. That was her gift to me for my birthday, and they're all so amazing. And my sister also pitched in on getting me this phone, and then I got these gifts that I just opened with y'all. Okay, we've got the fit on. I thought it would be justice if I put on a biker top to go quad biking, and it smells amazing on. And we are gonna spray it all around this body, even on my bare legs. I'm just gonna go in here and like spray, 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 spray. And my hair as well, because you know, I don't want to be smelling funky, but I think that is enough. So you can't really see the name of it, but it also smells fruity, just like this one. So I thought I'll mix them both. Hopefully they smell good. Like, I just be experimenting, girl. Like, I just be experimenting, spraying and mixing mists with actual perfumes, and I don't know if it's gonna come out. Then people were like, oh my god, you smell good. I'll be like, thank you, girl, because I was worried about it. But I think that's enough. I think that my sister said it's enough, because I usually spray and do my sister say my child rest. So I feel like this is it, because I can really like smell myself right now.
Scale of 1 to 10, she a 10 piece. Usually I'm the one with the groovies. Shawty so bad.